Hello guys, how are you all? Today we are going to talk about the Note 9. But first, let's talk about the S9 and the Plus version. To be honest, the S9 and the Plus version did not have that wow factor in them because of the similarity in design with the S8 and the S8 Plus. The only goodest gold feature were the fingerprint scanner, displacement, and a camera with a better low light result and better slow-mo videos at maximum of 960 fps. So all in all, S9 and the S9 Plus were a disappointment, at least to some of us. Now everyone is waiting for the big moment of the arrival of the Note 9, which is set for I think August of 2018. But according to Ice Universe, the Note 9 will let down our hopes because of no in-screen fingerprint scanner and no notable change in design. But I hope and wish for the best. Samsung is planning a 3850 mAh battery for this device, and some reports about the bezel suggest that the bezels will be 2 mm shorter than that of the Note 8. A model number has also leaked, which is SM960U. Samsung is also planning S Pen improvements according to an interview with the Samsung Access. That's all for today. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button if you want. I'll see you in the next video.